Dear students, next we have to study element stiffness matrix of an one-dimensional element using shape functions. Consider a bar element. Here this is node 1 and this is node 2, and here the displacement is u1, here the displacement is u2, and here the force is F1, here the force is F2, and the length of this bar element is L. A is the area of cross section, E is the Young's modulus, and this indicates the coordinate system. Okay, we know that U is equal to N1 U1 plus N2 U2. That is, use the displacement at any point in an one-dimensional element, which can be represented using shape functions N1 U1 plus N2 U2, where N1 is equal to 1 minus x by L and N2 is equal to x by L. This I am indicating expression number 1. Then this U is equal to N1 N2 into U1 U2. N1 N2 into U1 U2. Okay. So generally I can represent this as N into U. N into U. And also we have the strain. Is equal to du by dx. So this is obtained from the small sketch. Consider a small element. It is dx. And here the displacement is du. Based upon that, the strain is equal to du by dx, and which is equal to d by dx of this n into u, which is equal to this d by dx of 1 minus x by L, then x by L, that into u. Which is equal to minus 1 by L and 1 by L, that into u. d by dx of this one is minus 1 by L, this 1 by L into u. This can be represented as B into u. So this is equation number 2. Also, the stress is equal to E into epsilon. And which is equal to this E into this B into U. Okay, this I am putting equation number 3. So we have the equation for the strain energy is equal to half into integral V, this stress into the strain into dV. This half into V. We are having for this expression E into this B into U, this transpose, into, for this expression epsilon, we are having this B into U and dV. This is the expression for strain energy. And also for a conservative system, for a conservative system, this strain energy is equal to work done. Strain energy is equal to work done. And we have the work done, expression for the work done is equal to F1 U1 plus F2 U2. And this can be represented as this half F U1 plus half F U2, which is equal to half F into U1 plus U2, where F is the total force, and this is equal to this half into F into, and we are having this U transpose. Okay, so this I am putting as expression number 6. Equating the equation 5 and 6, this is the expression for strain energy and this is the expression for work done. So rearranging, we will get this manner. This equation is rearranged as this manner. Once you observe this one, you see this expression can be rearranged as this half into integral V, that is B transpose E B U dV, that into U transpose, which is equal to half F U transpose. From this expression we can see that this expression, that is integral V B transpose E B U dV is equal to F. Since the bar element is equivalent to a spring element, see, this is bar element, so I have drawn a spring element. Okay, for a spring element, for a displacement U, we can write the force is equal to K into U. That is, F is equal to K into U. So the previous expression, that is this expression I have written as integral V B transpose E B dV into U is equal to K into U. Okay, so equating these two expressions, we can see that this K is equal to integral V into B transpose E B dV, and this is the expression for the stiffness. Okay, so we have the expression K is equal to integral V B transpose E B dV, and substituting the values for the B matrix, we are having 0 to L minus 1 by L 1 by L into here this one minus 1 by L 1 by L, then E into A into this dV is replaced with A into dx. On multiplying this matrices, we will get this expression, that into EA into, and integrating we will get x and the limits are 0 to L. Okay, on manipulating this expression, you will get AE by L square into 1 minus 1 minus 1 EA into N. We can cancel one N from here, and finally you will get the expression, this AE by L into 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is the expression for stiffness matrix for a one-dimensional element. I hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you all. Thank you for the listening.